YouTube, what's going on? This is the TTop guy, just back with another video. It is Tuesday, July 18th. If you can see in the back, you see I got the cutty up on the trailer. It is 8:14 in the morning, like I said, on July 18th. I am headed to the upholstery shop to get the quarter top put onto the cutty. I don't think I revealed the color of the top yet, but I will after, I guess, today. But when I get here to the shop, I'll cut y'all back on, just, you know, kind of see what we doing, and then I'll reveal the color of the top to y'all. This is the first step. Actually, it's a few steps because I kind of just got a little busy and did a few things. So I'll show you some of the things that I did. One thing I can't show you, I changed the fuel pump on the car. I put the in-tank pump with the Spectre sending unit with the I put the AC Delco. I'll show y'all the part number that I use. But I did that last night to get it, you know, like it's supposed to. Something's wrong with that external pump. It's still on the car. I still got it hooked up. But I put like I said, I put the Spectre one on it so it'll stay running and, you know, won't run out of fuel or whatnot. So I'll show y'all the part number to that probably later on in the video when I get back to the shop. But for now, like I said, I'm headed over here. I'm right here. I ain't too far. I'm headed over here now to the upholstery shop to get the top put on. He said it ain't gonna take too long to do. I hope he give me at least a couple days. I need the space in the shop right now for at least a couple days to get a couple cars finished. But once I get over here and get situated, I'll cut y'all back on and get y'all some more. All right? Till then, I'll hit you back when I got some more. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I got the car off the trailer. Y'all know I'm at one of my favorite spots to get stuff done. Kirk's Upholstery. So, car is off the trailer. It's inside the shop. The fellas done already pretty much started. Y'all been here before. If you need any work done, come to Kirk's Upholstery. 827-0381. They get everything done right away for you. But anyway, that's Keith. Y'all remember Keith? That's my man. Y'all need something, get him a shout. He and his brothers, they get stuff done. He told me that this top is gonna be done today. 1 day turnaround. So I'm gonna get out his way. I just wanted to give y'all a quick look at the shop where we at. So they gonna really hook me up, so I trust them, so I ain't worried about nothing. He said it's gonna be done in a few hours. I wasn't expecting that, but hey, let's get it popping. So anyway, yeah, I gotta go grab some clips for him, and then I'll be back. Keith, you got that color anywhere near? Y'all right? Hold on 1 second, y'all. We're gonna show y'all or reveal to y'all what the top gonna look like. So bang. That's gonna be the color, y'all. See how that look? That's gonna be the top with the color match trim. So when y'all see it wrap, y'all will really get the concept of what's going on. So it look real good on there. Dark chocolate with the dark chocolate veins. So hey, there it is. So I hit y'all back in a couple hours once it's all done, and once I got Keith all paid out, I hit y'all back. All right, I'm gone. Alright, YouTube, I'm back here at my favorite shop. It's like 30 minutes later. I had to go pick up my trim, color match trim, to put on the top for him. So I'm gonna run this in here to him now so he can go ahead on and measure up the trim. Of course, these pieces, the top pillar posts, I can't really put those on yet because those have the lights, the pillar light on both sides. So I gotta run the wire through the wall, through the top, which, you know, I got the grommet and stuff. I'll show you that. So he gonna measure it up how far he gotta go with the top on that, and then he gonna take these ones off, but he gonna keep the other ones on. So once I get in here, I give you a shout. Hold on. All right, y'all. So this is one of the things that I did. I put the packing tray in, screwed everything down. Hey man, I also put the license plate tray in with the air for my shocks. Put that in. I put my bumpers back on, my bumper holders. So the next step is gonna be to put those together. And like I said yesterday, I had to run the new fuel system yesterday, so I put the new fuel line in there. So shoot, that's about it. So later today I have some more for you. I'm going. YouTube, what's happening? This is CJ, the detail guy, just hitting y'all back with an update video on this Cutlass. It's the afternoon of June 18th. What's today? Tuesday. I dropped my car off this morning. Y'all saw me drop my car off this morning about 8:30. It's 4:50 right now. My man called me. I was over in Chesapeake working. My man called me and said, "Hey, your car ready." I said, "What you mean it's ready?" He said, "It's ready. I don't hold cars long." This was 12 o'clock in the afternoon. He called me on the dot. "Come on, get your car. When you get done working, come on, get your car. It's ready." And then he joking me, telling me something. "You used to dealing with people that hold your cars for years. I ain't that type of person." I said, "God dang." I said, "Man, I appreciate that. Same day service, y'all." So he sent me pictures and everything of the top. It looked good. He put some of the trimming on for me as well. I mean, the car just looked good. So I'm headed over here now before he closed. I had to get on my horse to get across this water to get back over here before he closed at 5. So it's 4:51 now. So I'm getting ready to go on in here, take care of the money. And once I do that, I cut the camera on, let y'all see the car, especially once I get it up on the trailer. But this traffic is something different, boys. So yeah. So I hit y'all back when I got some more. Gone. All right, YouTube, I'm here. Y'all know where I'm at. Y'all saw where I was this morning. I was here at the at Kirk's Upholstery here in Hampton off of Build America Drive and Mercury Boulevard. Kirk's Upholstery. That number is 827-0381. Ask for Keith. They hook you up. But one day turnaround, y'all. Not even a day. A few hours. Check me out, y'all. Check me out, y'all. Look at that there. With the top on it. What y'all think? What y'all think, y'all? You see it? What y'all think? She coming together, ain't she? She coming together, ain't she? Little by little. Coming together. Wait till we get them seats and things in them. And get everything else in them. But she's slowly coming together. Look at her, y'all. He did that, like I said, in a few hours. Look at that top on that. Looking good. And the crazy thing is, I'm up here getting ready to put my car up on the trailer. And I see these two gentlemen here. It's Richard and Chris. And he let me come in here and look. First of all, he got this old Chevy, what's this, a 108 van. This is nice. 68 Chevy van.
That's a work in progress.
I know that's right. This van is beautiful, just like what I'm about to show y'all here behind me. I like these old classics. These things are nice. So, but you got Chris here. All right, and you got Richard here. These are all Richard's cars. So let me show y'all what's behind me here. A Model T. You say this car is 100 years old?
100 years old.
100 years old. This car, 1923 Model T.
As far as I haven't found anything on it that's not at least an original part.
Right. Right. But this thing is nice. This is a beautiful car. You're not ever going to see this.
I got to learn how to drive it.
Really?
So you shift gears with your feet.
You shift with your feet?
Yep.
Oh, man.
It's got 3 pedals. One is the brake. One is forward, and it's first and second gear, and the other one's reverse.
Oh, man, this is
And,
nice.
and you put it out of gear with a hand.
Oh, man. Look at this thing, y'all. The interior is original, too? Oh, my God.
As far as I know.
As far as he knows, it's original, y'all. Look at this thing. So this car probably has really been indoor kept.
Yeah, they said it had been very well preserved. I bought it from a dealer that I know in New Jersey, but I hadn't seen the car. I saw it online.
Oh, man.
And but this is the 3rd car I bought from him, and they've been. I haven't found anything that he told me wasn't true of it again.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's excellent.
There's no driver's door.
Huh?
There's no driver's door.
There's no door on the driver's seat.
Hey, oh, you just stand and step over?
Can't walk over to the side.
Oh, that's tight.
It's too dangerous to get run over by a horse.
Yeah. No driver's door, y'all. Just got to stand and jump over.
No. Get it on this side.
Oh, okay. Get in on the passenger side. Is a door on this side? Oh, okay. That's dope. That's nice. And like you said, that's something to hear coming down the road.
It's got an electric horn too, but the battery's out of it. Right
Got you. He says you shift with your feet.
now. Yeah, see the pedals?
Yep, three pedals.
This is first and second. This is reverse. That's the brake.
Yeah.
And you have to push this all the way forward.
To move around.
Right now, that's your emergency brake, and it locks the transmission instead of the drums.
Okay. God, look how simple this was back in the day.
Yeah, 1 gauge.
1 gauge. They had to worry about nothing.
Gasoline tank.
Under the seat, the gasoline?
Maybe it's the back seat or something.
I think it's the back seat.
No, it's not, 'cause I haven't taken that stuff off the seat.
Oh, there we go. Gasoline
Dipstick
tank.
it to see how much gas is in there.
Oh, man. No gauge, y'all, so got a dipstick.
I just got the dipstick.
Oh. There we go. Oh, man, this is a beautiful car.
Even though it's got no battery in it, I could start it with that crank right there. But a lot of people broke their wrists doing that, and I'm not going to try it.
I know that's right. Because once it starts, it'll take off on its own?
It can. It's supposed to slip out.
Okay.
And it usually does.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see why people broke their wrists.
But if it doesn't, that thing will kick your butt.
I know that's right. So what you would call this, the patina from back 100 years ago?
Yeah. If that's the original paint.
Right. This is
I
beautiful.
really have some doubts about the original. People do make them look like they're containers.
Yeah.
But they told me that, and I will say, they told me it was for original.
The top is in good shape and everything.
Top's in very good shape.
That's beautiful.
It's very hard to put up. It's heavy. And
Okay.
what you have to do is you have to get in it and pull the first section as far as you can, and then there's some on the side you have to push up till they snap. Then you have a piece you snap into the bottom and hold it up. Then you attach it to the windshield.
Oh, okay.
And it says it's best to be a 2-man job, and even better, a 4-man job.
I understand. That is a beautiful car. That's complete history right there. Yes, sir. So how many other older style cars like this do you have or that you're going to store in here?
That, of course, is the oldest one I've got.
Right.
I've got a 1939 Chevrolet Street Guard.
Okay.
Don't sound like your car, but it sounds good.
Yeah.
It's got 350 in it.
Okay.
And I've got a 1965 King Midget.
King Midget.
Probably never seen a King Midget.
Nah, I've never heard of it.
And I've got a replica of an 1896 Ford quadricycle.
Gosh, you got some stuff.
You just have to come back sometime.
Oh, yeah.
In about a month when they're all here.
Okay, yeah, I
But you just
definitely.
rented this place, so.
Gotcha.
You haven't been here, you've been here, a couple weeks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're building this van now? Or?
Yeah,
Well, for the past 20 years.
I bought it in 2000.
Okay.
That's my King Midget.
King Midget. Got you.
That's in my trailer up there. I haven't
Okay.
been inside yet.
Got you.
That weighs 670 pounds.
Oh, that's light.
Got a 9-horsepower engine.
You don't need
You've
much.
never seen it driven. You went up there with me to get it, and I drove it across the parking lot.
Yeah, you don't need much for something that light. Don't need much at
See
all.
if I can find the horseless carrier.
Oh man, I can't believe I
That-
ran across
that's
these
the other-
today. That's the horseless carriage?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's nice.
And I've had that in 2 or 3 Christmas parades.
Okay. Okay.
And everybody looks and screams and laughs. It steers with the tiller.
Mm-hmm.
And even though I've lost over 100 pounds, my wife and I can't both sit in that car at one time.
That's a little car. It's small. Yeah, but I appreciate y'all showing me your cars. This it's truly a blessing to
When
me.
I get all 5 of them in here, you're welcome to come back.
Cool. I appreciate that, Mr. Rich.
That's what I bought them for, was to show off.
Absolutely. I appreciate that. Thank y'all for your time.
sure.
Absolutely.